Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth. It is Sunday, June 16th. Happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. Wanted to give a quick update on utilities and, in particular, Southern Company, the two recommendations that I've had by recommendation. So let's get into it. Today, I'm just reiterating my buy on utilities as a group and on Southern Company. And as you can see, XLU, the Utilities Select Sector Spider Fund. This is where I initiated with a buy signal. Here's our inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, neckline, breakout, retest. Initiated with a buy. The price projection based on this pattern is 77. It got up to 73, let's call it. And now it's had a pullback. So I originally initiated with a buy rating back here in mid to late April, got up to about 68, and I went to neutral because we were getting overbought. It continued on a tear, and we got a pullback, and I reinitiated with a bullish buy here recently. So it's lower now. I just wanted to reiterate my buy on here with a $77 price projection. I wanted to cover Southern Company, which was a particular stock that I have had a buy rating on. So here's Southern Company, and you can see this is a bigger pattern. This is, I don't know, a year and a half in the making, a symmetrical triangle with the resistance line, the support line, A, B, C, D, E. So we got a breakout initiated with a buy, $90 potential price projection, or approximately 28% higher, and it has a big dividend yield, which escapes me. Oh, here we go, 3.9% at the time. Our reward to risk was 4.4 to 1, which is really very good. Anything 3 to 1 or better is really attractive to me. It got off to a torrid start, went to a neutral rating at, let's call it 75. It continued on a tear like the overall index, and then it's recently consolidated here, and I went back to a bullish stance here at 78, let's call it. And again, our price projection is 90. And I think this is just a sign of strength. It didn't even pull back on the overbought signal. It just went sideways in the form of a possible triangle. So let's take a closer look at this. And so here's the triangle that we're currently in. And you can see what happens is this builds up energy. So you get the bulls and the bears fighting here, and it's compressing. And the range of the trading range is getting narrower and narrower, and it's building up momentum, building up compression. And so whichever way it breaks, it could break down for all I know, but it's going to break in a pretty quick manner based on this narrowing range over the last week. This is a 2-hour chart, by the way, so it's a short-term chart, but it's been consolidating for a few weeks now. If it breaks to the upside, we got an $83 price projection, which isn't really that important to us at this point because we're looking for closer to a $90 price projection, but it would get us on our way. So this looks like it's going to make a move here really suddenly, and I wanted to give you a call out or a shout out on that. So one other thing I wanted to look at was the point and figure chart. Again, we got our bullish trend line in place. This is a pole. This is anything more than 10 X's in a row. Each one of these X's is an up move. Um, More than 10 is called a pull, and you usually get some sort of a pullback. That's why I went to a neutral rating. It hasn't come down really, it's gone sideways, again, showing a sign of strength. And the price projection on the point and figure chart, the least subjective chart, is 106. So my chart says 90. The point and figure chart says 106. So, it's, and these are landing areas, but you're talking about another 20, 30% possibly here. And again, a nice dividend. So, just wanted to reiterate my buy on utilities and on Southern Company in particular. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. The Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. Have a great Father's Day, and we'll see you during the week.